Hi guys, we're going to Gotemba Premium Outlets, our last destination in our Mount Fuji day tour. It's our second time here at Gotemba and feeling namin, nung first time namin, kinulang kami ng time. So, ngayon bumalik kami, kaya hindi na namin pinuntahan yung ibang destination dahil feeling namin marami pa kaming kailangan makita or hindi pa namin napupuntahan. So, yan guys, stroll muna tayo. And, pet friendly dito, ang daming dogs. Na-miss namin sobra si Charms, may mga Shiba, Poodle, and iba-iba talaga. So, miss namin si Charms, kaya mabait naman yung mga owners. So, we take pictures, lumalapit din kami. So, ayan. Dito na rin kami nag-lunch. And, ayan, stroll-stroll muna kami. And yes, bumalik kami ulit sa Sanrio store at check ang mga kids. Happy naman si Daddy ngayon at nabili na niya yung gusto niya. At dahil napagod na kami, wait na lang namin sa storekeeper dito. And taking pictures again before we leave the Gotemba Premium Outlets. By Jano, and our tour guide is Sir Keeper, and we're going back to our hotel. Thanks for watching, and please like and follow for more videos.